Well, here's where I am. Spots, I just hit them with some primer. And the big spot over on the door, I hit that with primer, and then I also had some black Rust-Oleum type paint that I slobbered up in there too. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glob some regular caulk in there. It says it's paintable, plus it's white. So if it does not stick properly, it will be white. Yeah, I'm just gonna slobber some caulk up in there. Probably it's pretty the main thing is to stop rust. And the primer I used is this here, this self-etching primer. It's supposed to be good. This is a can that a long time ago I dropped it. I broke the cap on it, so I couldn't get it out. So super frustrating. You have this full can of primer sitting on the shelf that you can't use. So I punched a hole in it, had a rag around the punch so I didn't make too huge of a mess. And then once the pressure was let off, I poured it into a little bottle and was able to put it on with a brush. So yeah, that's my plan. I think I'll put the caulk in it now, and then I'll clean everything all up again, and maybe even mask a few things, and then spray the white on there. All right, well, I think that will be all right. I think maybe when I'll let it dry for a while, and I'll wipe it off with a wet rag, make it the edges a little smoother. All right, well, here we are. It's a few days later. All my primer and caulk and stuff have been drying and I think are good. I'm gonna spray it, rattle can it, those spots there. I shove some caulk up in there to keep it from rusting up in there. I did a little bit of masking, a couple spots. Cover the tire with the blanket. It's 4th of July weekend, by the way. God bless America. right, well. I'd say that's looking darn good. A little bit of overspray on my window. Not very professional. That'll clean off easy enough. Runs a lot. Runs easy. I blame it on the humidity. It's been raining off and on here. Actually, the ground is dry. It hasn't rained here in a while, but it's very humid. And yeah, there's my repair. And yeah, whatever. Looks all right. Imagine the van driving by you at 20 miles an hour and whether it's noticeable. Looks great. Looks great. All right, well, I deem my under $10 rust touch-up project to be a success. We'll see you later.